Hi everyone. I hope you had a good experience reading the article. The article primarily was supported through research being done through Perplexity and Google Notebooks. There are two things that stood out for me as I read through the feedback and the research that was done by these two, I would say, AI engines, and I just wanted to share that as part of this short video. First, uh, data readiness. This is something that is paramount for any successful application that you design. So whenever you are evaluating a use case, whenever you are thinking of building any kind of a solution, uh, the first stage is to understand what is the data that you require and how good is that data. A lot of times you'll find that it's not a clear binary decision. We might identify that there are aspects of our data that are of extremely good quality. There are some aspects uh, that are of not a good quality, that is which can be consumed by a machine. And lastly, data might be missing. Absolutely. So rather than jumping into a building, I would say a development scenario, you might have to spend time looking at how to bridge this data gap before you can actually start building an application. The second bit is around information governance. The way I have thought through this bit is data readiness is the first stage, but information and which probably gives you the right to build an application. But information governance is what establishes the user experience and makes the application sustainable. Because information governance generally then tends to take care of how is the data being refreshed? Is the data correct? How do you ensure that the data being updated is of the right quality? Who is checking that data? Who owns that data? A lot of these other nuances that typically one has to take care of through a structured governance framework in place. So, in summary, if you want to develop a robust application, I would say first focus on data readiness when you're building one. And secondly, make sure you have the information governance in place before you roll it out so that you can offer a consistent and streamlined user experience for the foreseeable future. Thanks, and as always, hope you enjoyed the read.